Hello guys, you are watching a little bit computer. Today I will show you how you can make folder with your name, class, sections. On desktop you have to right click and right click, you can see on top folder, click on it and then press backspace, write your name like, and then after that write class 6 and section A. So your folder is created with your name, class, sections and press enter. And but we have to click here, then you will see here is empty na, we have to keep here file. So what we have to do, let's see. Here is given raj.htm, click and then press Ctrl C and then come on again on your folder, and then here you have to press Ctrl V, means paste, Ctrl C copy and Ctrl V paste. So again we will close this one. Now you will click on your folder and now you can see here is written raj.htm, double click on it or single click. Now this is your file and this one is your folder. So thanks for watching a little bit computer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.